What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. This video I continue solving quadratic equations and those that have this form: a times x minus h to the power of 2 equals to k. First example is 3x minus 7 to the power of 2 equals to negative 10. Answer is there is no real answer. Why? Because any expression to the power of 2 must be positive number, must be equal to a positive value. But here we have negative 10, so that's not possible with real numbers. So there is no real solution. Next example. X minus 3 to the power of 2 minus 8 equals to 24. Answer is x minus 3 to the power of 2 equals to 24 plus 8. 24 plus 8 is 32. So x minus 3 to the power of 2 is 32. Then x minus 3 will be plus minus root 32, and 32 is 16 times 2. 16 is perfect square, so it's going to be plus minus 16 times root 2, which is going to be plus minus 4 root 2. So x will be, add 3 there, it's going to be 3 plus minus 4 root 2. So one of the possible answers is 3 plus 4 root 2, the other one is 3 minus 4 root 2. Next example. X minus 5 to the power of 2 equals to 2 times x minus 5 to the power of 2 equals to 40, let's say. So 2 times x minus 5 to the power of 2 is 40. Answer will be x minus 5 to the power of 2 is 40 divided by 2. It means that we divide both sides by 2. 40 divided by 2 is 20. So x minus 5 will be plus minus square root of 20. Then 20 is 4 times 5. It's going to be square root of 4 times square root of 5. And the square root of 4 is 2. So it's going to be 2 root 5. So x will be 5 plus minus 2 root 5. So there are the two possible answers: 5 plus 2 root 5, 5 minus 2 root 5. Next example. M minus 5 to the power of 2 plus 4 equals to 24. Answer will be m minus 5 to the power of 2 equals to 24 minus 4, which is 20. M minus 5 is going to be square root of 20 plus minus square root of 20. Square root of 20 is 4 times 5. It's going to be root 4 times root 5 plus minus 2 root 5. And m will be 5 plus minus 2 root 5. These are the two possible answers: 5 plus 2 root 5 and 5 minus 2 root 5. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I will answer it as soon as possible. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can find out lots of videos, over 1,000 videos regarding math and chemistry. Thank you and have a great day.